Hi there, U.S. government students. It's Mr. Kerr, and this video is coming out about a day early, but since this is the final week, we really need to go over, make sure everyone's on the same page here. So hopefully you know this is the last week of this class. This is a semester-long class, and the grade you have on Thursday is the grade that you have for this class. So hopefully you've seen this. I sent out this announcement the other day about how many points we have possible this semester, what you need, how many points you need to get a 60%, how many you need to get a 90%, and I'll let you figure out 80 and 70 if you need to. But hoping that you are well into being done with all of your discussion boards and getting this Unit 3 final in. And hopefully your point paragraph is completed and you've gotten feedback on that, as well as your evidence discussion. And then, of course, your Unit 3 text-based assessment is due. So these are all the things under week 16 and 17. Again, this is your schedule. Absolute deadline is 3 p.m. on Thursday. Really would strongly suggesting everyone get things in earlier in the week. Hopefully I can get to them and grade most of them so that if there are any problems I can get those back to you and you know exactly what you need to do, how many points you need before the end of the semester. So it's been great. Thank you all for letting me be your teacher. This is a very important subject, very, very close to my heart, and hope you all learned quite a bit. Very important in our society that you learned the content of this class. So with that, let me know if you have any questions. You know how to get a hold of me, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks.